How to use Crest 3D white strips. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily use the Crest 3D white strips. First, you need to peel. Each set of strips, one for the top of the teeth and one for the bottom, has a plastic liner that covers the gel side. So simply peel away this layer when you're ready to apply the strip to your teeth. To apply, simply remove the teeth whitening strip from its liner and place the gel side to your teeth, aligned with your gum line. Press against your teeth for best contact and fold the remainder of the strip behind your teeth. Be sure to read the instructions on the package of your pack to learn how many times a day you should wear the strips. Third is to boost. If your Crest 3D white strips came with an LED accelerator light, this step is for you. Wear the strips for the full application time and then boost with the blue light technology device. Simply turn the LED accelerator light on and hold against your teeth until the light turns off. And then smile.